everyone, this is Ellen, and today I am getting to open a mystery Hobbii package. I'm calling it a mystery Hobbii package because I have a package that I ordered last month that was supposed to be here weeks ago, and it was seemingly lost, and Hobbii wrote to me and said that there had been a problem with their tracking numbers and that episode of shipping, and that if I just hung in there, then it would arrive, and if it did not arrive, then they would send out another package or give me a refund. So, and I have placed an order since then, so this might be the new order, or it might be the missing order, and I have no idea. So, rather than wait for my dishwasher to finish going, I can't wait to open this. So, if that dishwasher is being loud, I apologize. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to open up this package. What is in here? Dear. Now, it is all blackened, like, strangely, so I don't know if that's just an indication that it's been on quite a journey. Okay. Yes, this is the missing package. I know because it has this in there. Hold on. All right. This, I can't wait to check out. What this is wool. It is, okay, let me open it up so I can tell you the proper name. And, oh, good. I was hoping it would be soft. All right, it's relatively soft. It's not merino wool soft, but it is. I could see this being a sweater, no problem, as long as you're wearing an undershirt underneath it if you are at all sensitive to wool, but I think I could wear this no problem. Okay, so this is the Nature organic, 100% organic wool, and it is certified to be sustainable for the environment, and that is very important to me. And whenever I have the option to do that, I do that. Now, I'm hoping that it is also humane. I don't know if it got certified as humane. I like to think it is, but I'm not 100% sure about that. I hope it is. I think it's, it's implied that it should be, but, these are intricacies that we're not 100% sure about. But what I do know is that it is sustainable and good for the environment, and that it's, for wool, it's fairly soft, although not as soft as merino or cashmere, but it's still pretty nice. This is a fingering weight, and I bought this natural color because I want to dye this. I'm going to dye my own yarn in the near future. I'm really looking forward to that. So these are 50-gram balls, and which is 230 meters. They say that needle size 3 millimeters, so crochet hook would be, around that, maybe 4 millimeters. It says it is designed in Scandinavia, made in Asia. That's all they really say about that. There's washing instructions, as you can see there. There's the certification. And yeah, so this is the wool that I got from. I've never bought wool from Hobbii. I really have only purchased cotton and acrylic from them. So I am looking forward to doing some dyeing with this. I've never dyed yarn before. I have dyed t-shirts in the past with tie-dye, and I've also worked with some batik dyeing methods years ago, decades ago, like 30 years ago, so it's been a long time. I do know that wool is dyed beautifully with food coloring, and I'm not really set up for a bunch of toxic dyes, so I think I'm going to stick with food coloring. So we'll see if I can set up a camera and show you the dyeing process. But if you'd really like to see some yarn being dyed, then I really suggest that you check out a channel on YouTube called Chemnitz, Chemnits. And Rebecca from Chemnitz has been working on her YouTube channel for 10 years, and she has hundreds and hundreds of videos showing so many different ways to dye yarn with different yarn bases, from wool to acrylic to cotton. She goes and uses food coloring as well as commercial dyes, and so yeah, you'll learn so much, and I have learned so much from watching ChemKnits. So I'm planning on using some food coloring to dye this, and you know, who knows, if the dyeing bug bites me, maybe I'll be trying other types of dyes, but for now I'm gonna try some food coloring. I'm really looking forward to this. So I got my wool. What else do we have in here? Okay, it looks like I have another cake of, this is so funny because this is the cake, this is the colorway I was having trouble with previously and that Hobbii had refunded me, and I forgot that I had purchased one already, so obviously I purchased another one. I didn't know I had two already. So this is a beautiful colorway. So I made a beautiful green shawl, or like I said, I'm working on a green shawl for my aunt, and I guess I get to have another one for me. Oh no, oh dear, what shall I ever do? Oh, what else do we have here? Okay, I have, here's Mayflower 3. And it's kind of wonky a little bit, but I think it's just, luckily that tag is there to keep it all in place. This Mayflower 3, basically there's Mayflower 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I have tried 4. I've never tried 1, 2, and 3. So I figured I was going to get a ball of each of them and see what the difference is, and then report to you if it's interesting. So this little 50-gram ball of the Mayflower 3. This is a pretty little green color, and I believe it's 100% cotton. No, it's a cotton acrylic blend. That makes sense because the other Mayflowers I've used have been a cotton acrylic blend as well. This recommends a 4.5 millimeter hook, although just looking at this, I'd say it's maybe a 5 or 5.5 for me. But we'll see. I'll check that out and we will see. And here's another Mayflower 3, so I guess I got a couple of them, thinking, oh, they're different greens. They're different greens. So let's see. I guess I was looking at them and trying to figure out what the difference in green was. And so one is color 34 and one is color 32. And if you are interested in knowing what the difference between these two greens are, then there you go. I've got natural sunlight coming in my window right now, and so the color looks pretty true. They're very, very similar. The 32 is just has a little more yellow in it, and is a little smidge lighter, but that's about it. They're super close. Okay. And here's another Mayflower 3, I think. Oh, no, here's a Mayflower 2. And in color, I guess color 100. And Mayflower 2 is definitely a thinner yarn than Mayflower 3. So I'll check those out in the future and report back. The difference is there. And let's see what we have here. I also got a couple more Mayflower 3s in this, I think they called this Petrol. This color, number 94. Petrol green, I think is what they call it on the website. So I think what I wanted to do is just get a bunch of greens and try them out, play with them, and see how those go. And that's it. They gave me a free gift. They gave me more of these round gift tags. Sometimes you get gifts and you don't really need them, and I don't know what to do with these gift tags. I'm not a gift tag person, but I'll try to figure out something creative to do with those. And then of course they sent the little candy that my daughter will be very happy with, and that is it. So yay! This package took about a month to get here. Normally a package from Hobbii will take around 10 days, but this took a long time. For a while it was lost. Didn't see it in the tracking system. And I know that a few of you had made comments in one of my previous videos that said that you had the same problem. So if you're seeing this video and you have not received your package yet, please know that I just received my package today, and I'm really happy that it's finally here. It's one less thing I have to worry about, and I get to think about dyeing my yarn and playing with this new to me yarn here. And when I bought these were on sale, and so they were not, I just paid like, you know, a couple dollars each for them, so they were not expensive. So I'm really looking forward to trying these out, and this is hilarious. Maybe I'll just have a matching shawl with my aunt. Maybe I'll just do that. I don't know. But you know what? I love green. I love blue. I love green. Reminds me of this cake that I purchased in the past. Blue and green. Yum, 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 yum. So I'm sure that I'm going to have no problem figuring out what to do with that. And I think I need to admit that I have a problem and that I should not order from Hobbii for a while. Because I actually do have another package or so on the way, and you know, I need to stop for a while, I think, because I have to make things and make more room so that I have the room for more yarn, because right now I'm just spilling out all over the house, and although it's beautiful to have yarn everywhere, you know, it's going to get dusty, and you know, I've got to use my yarn. So y'all, please stop me. If you see me buying Hobbii again, say, no, Ellen, you've got to stop. Hold on, just chill out for a while. Use the yarn you have. And, you know, fat chance that's going to work, but you could try. Anyway, thanks for joining me. I'm happy this package finally came. I hope that if you're waiting for a package from Hobbii, that your package comes really soon, and that you have an absolutely gorgeous day, that you enjoy your crochet, and I wish you the best. Until the next video, bye-bye.